Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on MCQ on microbiology. Part 1 we are discussing remaining questions we are discussing in the coming session. Rather than simply going through the question, we are briefly discussing the options that they are coming under each MCQ. So let's start the journey, and this MCQ's discussion can be used by the PSC aspirant for preparing well in the coming PSC exam. All the very best. First question. Teichoic acid are the main surface antigen of which organism? Option A, gram-negative bacteria. Option B, gram-positive bacteria. Option C, virus. Or option D, fungus. The teichoic acid are the characteristic feature of gram-positive bacteria. In addition to peptidoglycan layer, the teichoic acid are seen in gram-positive organisms, and it helps in to maintain the cell viability. So the option is option B is the answer. That is, the teichoic acid are the main surface antigen of gram-positive bacteria. Second question: which of the following is used as the live attenuated vaccine? A. BCG, B. Sabin vaccine, C. Both A and B, D. SAC vaccine. Gone to the classification of vaccine. The vaccines are classified as live vaccine, kill vaccine, and DNA vaccine. The live vaccine include the BCG, smallpox, rubella, measles, yellow fever, mumps, diphtheria, and tetanus, whereas the kill vaccines examples are cholera, typhoid, whooping cough, poliomyelitis, influenza, rabies, and typhus. The poliomyelitis, as we know, the poliomyelitis are seen in two forms. If it is inactivated as IPV, it is known as the SAC vaccine, and oral live form of poliomyelitis vaccine is the Sabin vaccine. So, simply the poliomyelitis vaccine come under the kill viral vaccine. So, our question is the live attenuated vaccine. So, the option is the live vaccine is the BCG. So, the option is option A. Third question, which of the following is not an acid-fast organism? Acid-fast staining technique is also known as the Seale-Nielsen method, and it is used to differentiate the acid-fast and non-acid fast bacteria, as we all know. So the question is from which of the following is not an acid-fast organism? Option A, Mycobacteria. B, ascospore of certain yeast. C, exoskeleton of insects. And option D, spirochetes. This acid-fast organism having a feature of thick, waxy lipoidal cell wall, and once if the stain gets deposited or penetrated, it cannot be removed fast. So this type of organism is known as the acid-fast organism. The example of acid-fast organism include the Mycobacterium species. The bacterial spores are the like ascospores or certain yeast, exoskeleton of insects, as well as the Nocardia species. So now the question is that not an acid-fast organism. As we already discussed, the acid-fast organism include the Mycobacteria, ascospores or certain yeast, exoskeleton of insect. So the right answer is option D, spirochetes. The spirochete is not an acid-fast organism. Going to the fourth question, the talcum powder is commonly sterilized by which method? Option A, dry heat. B, moist heat. C, gaseous sterilization. Option D, filtration. The answer is A, dry heat method. When we go through the sterilization chapter, the dry heat sterilization application include the sterilization of talcum powder, petroleum jellies, oils, glass and metallic apparatus. So the talcum powder is commonly sterilized by the method of dry heat sterilization. Next question. The typhoid is diagnosed by A. Dick test, B. Vidal test, C. Tyne test, D. Schick test. So we can move to individual question, individual option. The typhoid, the Dick test. The Dick test is done for the scarlet fever. Option C, Tyne test. Tyne test is done to diagnose the tuberculosis, and Schick test is specific for diphtheria. So the question is the typhoid is diagnosed by the Vidal test. So the option is option B, Vidal test. Typhoid diagnosed by Vidal test. Sixth question. In dry heat sterilization, object is heated to 180 degrees Celsius 2 hours, B 180 degrees Celsius 1 hour, or 160 degrees Celsius 3 hours, or 160 degrees Celsius 2 hours. The right answer is in dry heat sterilization, object is heated to 180 degrees Celsius 2 hours. Next question. Which antibody is involved in anaphylactic reaction? This is from the part related to the immunoglobulins. The immunoglobulins are of different types like IgG, IgM, A, D, and E. So, and each immunoglobulin has different purpose like IgA. IgA, which will protect the mucous membrane. IgM, that will protect the early infections, that is normally it is bactericidal activity and involved in complement fixation. IgG, IgG protect against disease and attach to the phagocyte and necroses the placental barrier. And IgE, IgE causes allergy and this is responsible for the drug sensitivity, anaphylaxis and immediate hypersensitivity. So the antibody which is involved in anaphylactic reactions is IgE. So the answer is option D. The IgE is the immunoglobulin or the antibody that is involved in anaphylactic reaction. Eighth question, the antibody present in very low concentration in serum. In serum, various antibodies are available like IgG, IgM, IgA, and IgD. The least concentration available antibody in serum is option A, IgE. IgE is present in very low concentration in serum. Next question. Question number 9. Varicella zoster is a causative organism of A. Smallpox, B. Chickenpox, C. Dermatophytosis, D. Tuberculosis. The smallpox causative is, as we all know, variola virus. Option B is chickenpox. Chickenpox is caused by this varicella zoster. Dermatophytosis causative is dermatophytes, that is related to the tinea, that is the infections, fungal infections seen in our skin, nail, etc. And tuberculosis is causative is tuberculobacteria. So the varicella zoster is the causative organism of the disease chickenpox. 10th question. The antibody that provides passive immunity to the fetus. The antibody that pass through the placenta is IgG. So the antibody provides passive immunity to the fetus through the placenta is IgG. So the answer is option D. Next question, the antibody that provide passive immunity to the newborn. In case of newborn, the newborn get immunity by feeding through the colostrum, that is secretory. So the answer is IgA. Option B is the right answer. The antibody that provide the passive immunity to the newborn is IgA, and not the immunity to the placenta is IgG. These are the repetitive questions that are asked in the previous PSC question paper. Next question, the antibody found on the surface of lymphocyte of newborn. The antibody found on the surface of lymphocyte of newborn. Option A, IgE. Option B, IgA. Option C, IgM. And option D, IgD. The right answer is IgD. That is IgD that are involved in the differentiation of cells that are seen on the surface of lymphocyte of newborn. Next question, the heat sensitive equipment are sterilized by A. Dry heat, B. Moist heat, C. Gamma radiation, D. All of the above. In case of heat sensitive equipment, we cannot go for the dry heat and moist heat. So no option for the option A and B. So the heat sensitive equipment are sterilized by the option C, gamma radiation. Next question, the temperature used for the sterilization of vaccine. Option A, 71 to 72 degrees Celsius. Option B, 61 to 62 degrees Celsius. Option C, 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Option D, 98 to 100 degrees Celsius. The right answer is the 55 to 60 degrees Celsius is the temperature used for the sterilization of vaccine. Whereas we already studied that the vaccines are stored at a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, whereas 55 to 60 degrees Celsius are used for the sterilization of vaccine. 15th question, which of the following is a diagnostic test for scarlet fever? As we already discussed, the Dick test is the first test or the preliminary test or the most important tests that are done for the scarlet fever, but the option Dick test is not available in our option. Options are A. Schultz-Charlton test, B. Vidal test, C. Free test, and D. Tyne test. The Vidal test is for the typhoid, the Free test is for the lymphogranuloma, and Tyne test is for tuberculosis test. In addition to the Dick test, the Schultz-Charlton test is done to diagnose the scarlet fever. So the option is option A. Schultz-Charlton test is another test that is done for the diagnosis of scarlet fever. 16th question. The plastic containers are normally sterilized with dry heat. Option B, autoclaving. C, ethylene oxide. Option D, all of the above. The plastic containers are normally sterilized with ethylene oxide. This ethylene oxide can penetrate the plastic, paperboard, powders, etc. And this ethylene oxide can be used for the sterilizing the medical preparation, dried fruits, hospital beds, spices, etc. So the plastic containers are normally sterilized with the CAS sterilization method, ethylene oxide. 17th question. The syphilis is caused by A. Clostridium tetani, option B. Clostridium botulinum, option C. Bordetella pertussis, option D. Treponema pallidum. The syphilis is caused by the Treponema pallidum. The Clostridium tetani is the causality of tetanus. Clostridium botulinum is the causality of botulinum toxin. And Bordetella pertussis is the causality of the whooping cough or pertussis. Question number 18. The virus-mediated transfer of host DNA from one cell to another is option A. Transduction, option B. Transformation, option C. Transcription, option D. Integration. In this question, we may get confused either transduction or transformation. Transduction is the single-stranded DNA incorporated into the chromosome or cell and will become the single-stranded. Whereas the transduction is the process in which DNA carried from one cell to one bacteria to other by bacteriophage. So our question is the virus mediated transfer, that is like bacteriophage, the host cell DNA transfer from one cell to another. So the answer is option A, transduction. Question number 19. The serum concentration of which of the following human IgG subclass is maximum? In serum, the highest concentration of immunoglobulin available is IgG. And among this, which IgG is available in maximum concentration? Option A, IgG1, option B, IgG2, option C, IgG3, and option D, IgG4. Answer is option A, IgG1. IgG1 is available in highest concentration among human IgG. Question number 20. During Gram staining, cardboard fusion is used for A. Primary staining, B. Counter staining, C. Drying, D. Decolorizing. In this question, we made confused because this cardboard fusion is normally used in case of acid-fast staining as primary stain. But in Gram staining, this cardboard fusion is used as counter stain. So don't get confused. In Gram staining, cardboard fusion used as counter stain, whereas in acid-fast staining, the cardboard fusion used as primary stain. So during Gram staining, cardboard fusion is used for. The answer is option B, counter staining. Question number 21. Polio is caused by option A, bacteria, option B, virus, C, fungi, option D, both A and B. As we all know, the polio is caused by, answer is virus. Next question. Which type of vaccine is BCG? Option A, live, option B, kill, C, subunit, D, all of the above. As we already discussed, the BCG is a live vaccine. Next question. Toxoids are used for A. Tuberculosis, B. Typhoid, C. Enteric fever, D. Diphtheria. Toxoids are basically modified toxin from a pathogenic microorganism. Actually, it is antigenic, so it can be used as a vaccine. The toxoids widely used are the tetanus toxoid and diphtheria toxoid. So among the options, tetanus is not there, so the toxoid used is option D, diphtheria. 24th question. Autotrophs are the bacteria that option A, derive energy from sunlight, option B, derive energy by chemical reaction, option C, synthesize all the organic components, D, do not synthesize the organic component. Answer is C, because the autotrophs are the category that use the carbon dioxide as sole source of carbon. So they synthesize all the organic components. So the option is option C. Next question 25. Cold temperature range is option A 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, option B 8 to 25 degrees Celsius, C above 25 degrees Celsius, option D 21 to 25 degrees Celsius. So based on temperature, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius is known as cold temperature, 8 to 25 cool temperature, and 25 to 30 is room temperature. So the question is from about the cool temperature. So the option B is the right answer. Cool temperature range is 8 to 25 degrees Celsius. Last question. The dengue fever is caused by option A virus, option B bacteria, C fungi, and option D rickettsia. Dengue fever is caused by a virus. By this, we are winding up this session. I think this session will be helpful for you. If you like this session, please like, comment, and follow our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.